Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today we're heading out to hunt with a buddy of mine, Dave. He's pretty new to turkey hunting, so he's never killed a bird before, and he's got a spot. He's been hearing a bunch of them, so we're gonna head over to that spot he's got and you know, give her our best college try and see what we can make happen. See if we can get him his first bird. Pretty optimistic about it. The property that we're going to, obviously it's a property I've never been to, so I don't really know exactly what to expect, but kind of looking at it on OnX, it looks pretty good. But he said he's been hearing quite a few of them over there, so we'll see. You never know. But we're heading out. We're gonna meet him at 4:45 and start our hike up in there, and by the time we get back there, the bird should be gobbling. So if birds are gobbling close enough, I'll turn the camera on, get some gobbling in the morning, and then hopefully they're walking right into the decoys. Hopefully. We'll see. Do a Jake yelp. See if I can get him pissed off. Shoot him. Shoot him. Good freaking job, man.
Dude, that was awesome.
Good freaking job.
Holy shit. my god, that was unbelievable.
I got it on video too.
Did you?
Good freaking job.
Yo, come here, man. That was awesome.
Good job, man.
That was awesome. Oh my god, that was awesome. That was the coolest experience of my life right there, dude.
He's a good one too, man. He's a good one.
Is he good?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. All that time setting this bad boy in, man. Wow, what an experience, dude. Oh my god.
Close too, like 20 yards.
That's what I sighted him for too, man. Oh, what a pretty looking bird.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, look at that thing. Holy cow. Wow. Dude, what an unreal thing though. Like,
Isn't that awesome?
to, like, we come walking up this steep hill not hearing a thing, and
Your first bird.
dude, what an experience, dude. Unreal, unlike anything.
Look at that thing.
Holy cow.
Let's watch his bird.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yes, man. Oh my god. I gotta get a picture of this right now.
Oh, we're gonna get plenty of pictures, buddy.
I gotta send it to my buddy that was with me here yesterday. Oh my god. Look at that thing, dude.
You hammered him.
Perfect shot.
Oh yeah.
See, when you said shoot, from where I was sitting, he was behind that tree, and then he got behind these. That's why I waited.
Oh, dude, it's so close. I'm like, oh, dude, we're like on the side of the tree. It's just, I had better cover than you did because I hit that the tree you were on was in front of me. Yet.
Oh my god.
He's got barring in his tail fan too.
I'm gonna get that fucker mounted. Do you mount him or do you?
Bird. Hey, missing a tail fan.
Is that for fighting?
Yeah, probably.
Wow. Unreal, dude. Look at the color on this thing.
Aren't they beautiful?
They are such pretty birds. What do you think?
Probably 2-year-old.
That was like the most unreal hunt, dude. That was so cool.
You were the 5th bird I've called in for somebody or shot myself this year.
Dude. Oh my goodness.
Isn't that badass when it works out?
Dude,
like
that's just crazy. Like, we didn't hear nothing. Like, nothing was sparking off. And then we're coming up here, nothing was sparking off, and then he hit right there. You think this was the bird that was down below in the morning?
Yeah, he's ready. Yeah. I didn't know if he was going to cross this. This is the only thing, this gully here is what I was nervous about.
Well, when we sat down and you called him, he got closer. Like, I heard him on top of here. I started hearing doo-doo, doo-doo, like his feet. And then I thought I heard something come up, but I couldn't tell if he was going to on that side of the stand or on this side.
Well, remember I told you make sure you can shoot high?
That's why I went like...
You see how he tried to get the high ground? They always try to get the high ground if they can. I mean, he could have come up low. It would have been easier for him to cross down here. But he chose the steeper part to cross.
So he could be up above
get the high ground.
That's unreal.
Yeah. So I always say, if you're hunting them, make sure you try to get that high ground. Sweet.
Dude, what a fucking hunt, man.
Good job, man. Good job.
Oh my goodness.